Meet the Hyundai HYSH2800E, the electric garden shredder built for fast, clean garden waste disposal. Powered by a high-performance 2,800-watt motor, this shredder spins at 4,500 RPM, quickly reducing hedge trimmings, branches and foliage into manageable mulch. With a 45mm shredding capacity, it can take on thicker branches with ease, saving you time and effort on every job. It's built with your safety in mind. An overload protection system and safety interlock prevent accidental startups, while the included flat push stick keeps your hands safely away from the blade. The spacious 45-litre collection bag means fewer trips to the compost heap and more time getting the job done. Weighing just 9.3 kilograms and fitted with large 7-inch wheels, this shredder is easy to move wherever you need it, and its compact size makes for simple storage. There's no need for extension leads either. Thanks to the 10-metre power cable, you've got plenty of reach straight out of the box. Every HYSH2800E comes fully assembled and ready to use, complete with collection bag, push stick, hex key, and manual. Backed by Hyundai's 3-year domestic warranty, this electric garden shredder delivers powerful performance, user-friendly design, and peace of mind. The Hyundai HYSH2800E, efficient garden cleanup made easy.